Welcome. In this session, we'll explore large language models, or LLMs. Welcome to the fascinating world of large language models. These powerful AI systems are transforming how we interact with technology. They make it possible for computers to understand and generate human language with remarkable sophistication. Today, we'll explore what makes these systems so revolutionary. Here's what you'll learn in this session. First, we'll discover the fundamental concepts behind large language models and what makes them unique in AI. Second, we'll look at the three-step process that enables them to generate human-like text. Third, we'll see why they matter and the powerful capabilities they bring. And finally, we'll look at real-world examples you probably use every day. What is an LLM? LLM stands for Large Language Model, a type of AI trained on enormous amounts of text, books, articles, websites, and more. Think of it as a sophisticated pattern recognition system that has read millions of pages and learned how human language works. This allows it to understand context, meaning, and even subtle nuances. What makes them large isn't just their size, but their ability to handle almost any topic or writing style. How LLMs work. The magic of LLMs happens in 3 steps. First, they train on massive text data, billions of words from books, websites, and research. Second, they learn patterns in language, analyzing how words, sentences, and concepts connect. And third, when you ask a question, they predict the most appropriate words to form a clear, relevant response. For example, if you type, "the capital of France is," it predicts, Paris. Why LLMs are so powerful? LLMs are powerful because of what they can do. They understand context, not just words but intent and meaning. They can answer questions, from simple facts to detailed explanations. They can summarize complex information or explain difficult concepts clearly. And they can generate creative content, from stories and poems to code and business plans, tailored to your needs. Everyday examples of LLMs. You've probably interacted with LLMs more than you realize. ChatGPT is the most famous, enabling natural conversations on almost any topic. Gmail Smart Compose suggests completions for your emails as you type. And many websites now use customer support bots powered by LLMs, able to understand your questions and provide instant, helpful responses. Understanding the limitations. LLMs are impressive, but they're not perfect. They're not always accurate. Sometimes they generate convincing but incorrect information, because they don't have real-time knowledge. They can also reflect bias, since they're trained on human content that includes bias. And they need clear prompts. Vague questions lead to vague answers, while specific prompts give much better results. Let's recap. LLM means Large Language Model, sophisticated AI systems trained to understand and generate human language. They are trained on massive datasets, learn from billions of words, and can generate human-like responses. They represent a leap forward in AI, making interaction with machines more natural and productive, as long as we stay mindful of their limitations. Thank you for joining this session on large language models. The world of AI is evolving quickly, and understanding tools like LLMs opens up incredible opportunities for learning, creativity, and productivity. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and remember, the best way to understand AI is to try it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple AI explainers and tutorials.